Hey friends, how's it going? Welcome back. Joe Samo's math class. Welcome back, math hooligans. I apologize for the very long delay. My 11-year-old boy Jude encouraged me to get back into this. So here we go. Let's have some fun. Let's take a look at this first one again. As always, you can pause it if you want to try it on your own, and then we're going to do it together. So we have two angles that are complementary. What does that mean? That means they add up to 90 degrees together. And one of them is 2x plus 2, and the other one is 3x minus 5. And they're asking what is the shorter one. All right, so let's draw, just to give you an idea. So obviously that's a straight line, right? So the two add up to 90 degrees. So the two angles kind of look like this. And we don't know which one's bigger, which one's smaller. So I'm just kind of just randomly drawing this. All right, so if that's one angle and that's another angle, right? All right, so let's just randomly, we don't know yet which one's smaller, which one's bigger. So let's say this angle is the 2x plus 2, and this angle is the 3x minus 5, right? And again, these two angles together add up to 90 degrees. So what we could do is we could just say 2x plus 2 plus this angle, which is 3x minus 5, all of that equals 90. And then we could just add it up, right? 2x plus 3x, that's 5x, plus, let's see, 2 plus negative 5, let's do it here, 2 plus negative 5, that's like 2 minus 5, which would be negative 3. So 5x plus negative 3, or 5x minus 3, equals 90, and we could add 3 to each side, so we get 5x equals 93. All right, so 5x equals 93, x equals 93 fifths. If you look at all the answers, they're in decimals, not in fractions, so I would probably just put this into a decimal. So 5 goes into 93, 18.6 equals x. Now let's just figure out the angles. Let's start with this one here on the bottom. We have 2x plus 2, right? And we know x equals 18.6, so 2 times 18.6 plus 2. So 2 times 18.6, see, 2 times 18 is 36, and 0.6, that's 1.2, so that should be 37.2 plus 2. And that's because 2 times 18.6 is 37.2, plus 2, that then would be 39.2. Okay, so this angle is 39.2. Now, by the way, it's asking for the smaller angle, so that has to be the smaller angle than this, and I'll tell you why. Because if the two angles add up to 90, then, you know, if they were equal, they'd be 45 plus 45. So if one of them is less than 45, then the other one has to be bigger than 45. So 39.2 has to be the smallest one. All right, so that's the answer to that one. All right.